Good morning, dear students. Today we will do a Easter activity and we will make a bunny rabbit in that. Good morning, dear students. Today we will do a Easter activity. In this we will make a bunny rabbit. So the material required for this is A4 size white color sheet. Any two sheets you can take. Sketch pen of any color, whether of pink or blue. One thread, a pair of googly eyes, stapler, scissor and a Fevicol. Let's start with the activity. First we will take a A4 size sheet. We will fold it from between. Now we will cut the sheet into two parts. As you can see, we have cut the sheet into two parts. Now we'll fold the sheet again into two from between like this, as you can see. Next one also like this. Now after this you can see we have folded these two sheets like this, and then again we will fold it in this way. Then again you fold it again over here. Then you will open this sheet and then you will fold like this. One side back, one side front. One side back and one side front. As you can see in the over here, like this we have folded. Again the next sheet that we have taken, we have folded in two parts. We will fold it again like this only, in the same way. Now we have folded both the sheets like this. Now what we have to do? We have to join it with the help of the Fevicol over here. We will join these two sheets like this. We'll put Fevicol over here. We will put Fevicol at the end of this over here, at the both sides. Now we will stick it like this, these two sheets. As you can see, they have been joined together. Now we will fold it like this. And we will tie with the help of a thread over here in between. We will take the thread and tie it in the middle. You can put a knot over here. Now we have tied it in the middle with the help of a thread like this. Now we have tied with the help of a thread like this. Now we have to join this side and this side. Whether you can join it with the help of Fevicol or you can staple it also. Like this. And this side also. Like this we have made. Now we will cut the ears of a bunny rabbit. Now we will take another white color sheet. Now we will draw the ears of a bunny rabbit on a white color sheet. Like this. And with the help of scissor, we will cut these ears. Like this we have cut the 2 ears of the bunny rabbit. Now we will color in between. Like I am doing with this help of pink color sketch pen. We will color it. Now we have colored the 2 ears of the bunny rabbit, and now we will take them and stick it over here like this with the help of Fevicol. We have pasted the 2 ears of the bunny rabbit like this. We have pasted the 2 ears of the bunny rabbit like this. Now we will take pair of googly eyes and we will stick over here. With the help of Fevicol, we have pasted 2 googly eyes like this. Now we will draw the paws of the bunny rabbit like this on the sheet. Now we will cut it with the help of scissor. Like this we have cut it, the paws of the bunny rabbit. Now we will fill little color in between. We have colored in between the paws of the bunny rabbit. Now I will paste these paws over here with the help of Fevicol. We have pasted the paws of the bunny rabbit. Now we will take cotton, little bit cotton like this, and we will, or you can take colored cotton also. Cotton balls are also available. You can do it for the nose. Now we will paste over here with the help of Fevicol. In between. Now our bunny rabbit is ready. Thank you. Have a nice day.